These are the glass elevators here at the One Oxford Center here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
These were filmed in Mr. Rogers' neighborhood in '92.
Yep, I'm here with Jared behind me. Who's...
Oop, this elevator.
And note, they just did a slap-on mod, not a complete replacement. Very nice.
Is that a P?
P.
Oop, they reload.
Oh gosh.
Now twist you to the side.
Let's watch this.
This is a very interesting configuration.
Yeah. Let's watch this nice, lovely indicator. Okay, go ahead and push 4. Okay, ring twice, Bob.
Alright, now listen to the motor. And it even says the date, June 8th at 8:36 a.m.
Dang.
And we'll go down to level uno.
Look at that. Construction. Are these nice elevators?
These are nice elevators.
Those are mad buttons. That's a big piston.
Yeah, they used to have ribbons on the bottom of the elevator. It used to go up as the elevator traveled.
Jeez. And here we are, 1. Sorry.
No, you're fine.
And I guess that's gonna be it.